so cold. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an amazing Tuesday. It's my lunch break, so I've just jumped on camera to do today's video so I don't miss today's video. I purposely didn't do my makeup this morning and I look worse for wear because I've had hardly any sleep. The dog's been ill, Gary's not been feeling 100%, so I've not had much sleep, so I'm not looking my best. Let's just say that, I'm not looking my best at all. So I've got an array of products all up here. I really wanted to do like a goldy glow look today. Obviously when I do my final look at the end I will take off my cardigan, but I'm so cold that it's staying on at the moment. This glow up looks more like, I don't know, but anyway, I'm a bit nippy. So today I thought I would do like a goldy glow up, which is something I've been really obsessed with lately, and I really wanted to do some Instagram pictures, obviously, of this look. So here we are. Here's the tutorial. I've already primed my face, and when I say prime my face, I've used my Glossier Skin Moisturising Priming Moisturiser. It's awesome. That's kind of my skincare. I've got nothing on my skin at the moment. I'm just going to go in with my Ready Set Glow setting spray, and I'm going to start off with this just to prep my skin. It's great for the glow. It smells amazing. It wakes you up. My lips out because they're a shambles. I'm just using the Glossier Rose balm.com lip balm, like so. And maybe I'll zoom you in a little bit so you can see my face. There we are, that's probably a little bit better. So, okay, where to even begin? I'm going to go first in with my concealer. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm using the shade 34S Medium Sand. I'll pop it in the description box below. I always forget to do this, and I just use this just to cover any acne scars. I've currently got a new one. Look at that, lovely. I've seen that ASOS have collaborated with NARS in terms of there's like a sample, I'd say a sample size NARS concealer on ASOS. It's like £13. I was so tempted to buy it, but then changed my mind because I thought I don't need it. I don't need another concealer, but I do love the NARS concealer. I'm just using my brush chunky brushes to pat this in. I love these. You can get discounts still. You get 40% off with the code ROX40. I'll link it here, and you can see in my description box below if you're interested in buying the makeup brushes. I am obsessed. Some of the makeup brushes are just amazing. I'm using more today, you'll see them. I actually need to wash my makeup brushes today, so that should be fun. It's going to be part of my Sunday vlog, which you'll see. Yeah, I've really been loving doing vlogs for you. I find that it's quite interesting, you seeing a different side of my life, and obviously, I mean, how much can you really share during lockdown, I guess, but clearly a lot, because I had an hour and 45, what was it, an hour and 40 minutes of content for Lower Sunday's vlog, and I managed to edit it down to 35 minutes or something, which is insane, and that's still a lot. I'm just going to go in with my VANI-T Australia Afterglow Skin Finishing Gloss. Obviously this is normally for your body. The pump's not working on this. I really like it for the face, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to take it. It smells insane. I'm just going to take it because I want it to be a bit shimmery on the old face before I put foundation on. That one is the shade, sorry, that's in the shade Goddess, by the way, I'm using. I have two shades. And then I'm just going to go in with my highlighter brush junkie brush and just blend that into my skin. And what this does, it just gives you like a really good highlighter, but obviously I don't want it to be as glowy as this. As my final look. just want it underneath my makeup. You'll see. You'll see. Hopefully, if it works how I'm thinking it will. I'm just going to do my eyes because I like to normally do my eyes first anyway, but yeah, today I've been a bit different. I don't know. I'm firstly going to go in my MAC Prep and Prime in the shade Groundwork, which looks like this. It's a nice beigey shade, and I just take it just to base my eye. I take quite a decent amount and just use it on my eyelids. Obviously, as you know, this just helps your eyeshadow stay in place. It's not going to be a lot of eyeshadow work today anyway, but it's going to be enough for me to use that. So I'm actually going to go in with my VANI-T Australia eyeshadow palette, and this is the Nude palette, which unfortunately one of the shades is broken. But this is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous, really great if you like quite neutral shades. And I'm just going to take the shade Flesh, and then I'm going to dip into Aztec. So I'm just going to take my Caribou brush, which is just a blending brush, and just go over the lid. This is the first time I'm using this palette, so we'll see how that goes, but it looks so lovely. It's all the colours I would use. Really great for an all year round palette. There's autumnal, there's summer, there's spring, there's winter looks. There's just so much you can create. So now that is done, I'm just going to dip into the gold shimmer shade, which is Aztec, and I'm just going to take my Real Techniques blending brush, just pack that on. I really like the tanned, goldy, summer vibe, bronzy look that people are creating. I just think it's so nice. Which is what's really inspired me today to do this. Like so. You can't really probably see it too much, but when the rest of the look is done, I'll zoom in so you can really take a look. So now I'm just going to apply my foundation. And I'm just going to dip in with my Nudestix foundation. I use the shade Nude 5. This is such a nice natural foundation. I've done a review, you can watch it above. But basically this foundation is great if you've got, to be fair, if you've got flawless skin, this foundation is for you. I think it's really nice light coverage, and it's really dewy. It's really great for summer, I think, like summertime skin, definitely wonderful for like holiday. Like so. And now we're going to bronze up the skin. So to do that, actually, no, first let's just do my eyebrows. I'm just going to use my Maybelline brow pencil, and I use the shade, I think it's medium brown. And I'm just going to fill them in real quick, nothing too drastic. Get my little spoolie thing, brush them through. And now I'm just going to take my MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to go over my face just to bronze that up, and just kind of like in my cheekbone area, on my forehead, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to take it and gently just to like go around my face, just to add a bit more depth and just colour. Do love this. This is still one of my favourite products. It's initially like something I would just use on my skin on its own. I've used it for years and years and years. I just couldn't recommend it more, especially if you just want a bit more of a tan. Just to like bronze up the skin, like so. But you want to leave like this area and this area so it looks still dewy and kind of here. Obviously you don't want to look greasy, but you want to still look really dewy. And now to add a bit of more highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter, Spectrum brush A10, no B8, A10, where did I get that from? I'm just going to quickly brush over this, go into my brow a little bit. I've started to get more fine lines on my forehead. It makes me feel so sad. I'm getting old, guys, I'm getting old. You know, when you're younger, you never think about getting old. Like, you just don't. And then it just hits you. It's madness. I just don't know where the time's gone. Sad. Now that is done, I'm going to add some blusher. So I'm just going to go in with my NARS Assist Unfiltered palette. I'm just going to use this shade that I'm hitting pan on because it's just like a really nice peachy colour. Like so. Just put it on my neck a little bit as well. Make everything look even Steven. I've been watching Desi Perkins' fertility journey. I don't know if you watch her YouTube channel, if you love beauty, you're here, so you probably do. She's like amazing makeup artist. She does some really great vlogs as well, and she's currently doing her fertility journey, which she's been going through since 2013, which obviously we have no idea. But it's such a heartbreaking series. I just think that she's opened herself up so much, and it's so wonderful that she feels she can do that, but also share her experience where other people probably feel like they're in the same boat. It's amazing. I'm just going in with my NARS Climax mascara, by the way, just to lift the lashes. I really miss having a lash lift. My friends, Soph and Elliot, have had their baby boy last week. I really wanted to mention it in my vlog, which I probably will, but they announced him on Instagram. Obviously we knew beforehand, they called us to let us know, but named him Archer, and he's just the cutest little man. For them, they've already got a daughter called Penelope, and she's just the sweetest. I feel like that's one of the hardest things during lockdown is like how much we miss our friends and family. Like, there's so many things, like today's my sister's birthday and we don't get to spend it with her. Like, and that to me is really sad. She lives in Birmingham with the rest of my family, but I find it really sad that that option isn't there. I don't know. I'm just gonna add some lipstick, and I'm gonna go in with Sunset Lover by Charlotte Tilbury and my NYX Professional Makeup lip pencil in San Diego, just to line my lips. My subscribers have gone up so much. Like, I'm so thankful to you all that you even watch my videos, to be honest. Like, I can't tell you how much the support means. Like, there are no words. This is something that I've been dreaming and working on for so long that finally, like, I feel like it's starting to get somewhere, and it's just such a nice feeling. Right, I'm just going to fix my hair, and I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I've just kind of like slicked my hair was already slicked back, but it needed a bit more hairspray just to sort that out. This is it. This is the golden glow up. which I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. If you are, thank you so much for your support as always. You know it means so much to me anyway. Give this video a big thumbs up because that also really helps me. And yeah, I'll see you in my Sunday vlog. Enjoy your Tuesday. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.